YouTube, it's your homegirl, the Diva, back from a long missing in action. Happy New Year! Okay, I spent my first day of the new year at CVS, and whew, I'm excited. As you can see, I got Tide Stain Release, Tide Free and Clear, Extra Laundry Detergent, Colgate Total Toothpaste, Old Spice Body Wash, pH Fresh Lady Feminine Hygiene Products, 2 Dawn Dish Detergents, 2 L'Oreal products. This one, the lip balm, it's the bomb.com. Oh, it's the best ever. I tried one at Target. I am in love, so I'm going to try all colors. A L'Oreal eyeliner, a Cross Action Oral-B toothbrush, my favorite grandma's cookies, the peanut butter with chocolate chip and peanut butter chunks, 2 liters of raspberry tea, and 1 gigantic raspberry tea. I got all of this, you guys, using my coupons, my extra care rewards for $24. Yes, $24. This right here, this was almost like robbery. Felt good to me, though, and I don't even like anything that's related to jail type activities. Anyway, the Diva is back, promising to post more, to save more, to shop more, and to do it on a budget. I've missed you guys. Happy New Year. Let's have a prosperous and saving 2012. The Diva is out. Save with you later.